It's like 7 in the evening. Just go home. Really nice cake. Come on. And the butchers are here. Come on, boy. Say hi to everyone. So I went out looking for a shop to get like, you know, shorts and t-shirts and so on, but I didn't want to get here in the center of Lisbon. So I just want to get something more like homemade, you know, my like made in Portugal. Something cheap. I got this in the airport for like €7 and it's amazing. I love it. And I didn't want to go to H&M, spend like 20 quid for a plain shirt. Anyway, I took a Lime scooter and I went out for like 2 hours in the city random to see if I can find places. I end up just going around. Have a good day out. Oh, it's so funny. And now with the help of this one, I'm gonna check my partner YouTube channel to see if everything works perfectly. And we said we're gonna say hello to you guys. Now, if you know any good shops for cotton, proper cotton, quality shirts, not very expensive, in Lisbon, do the comments below, because I'm really curious where I can go and get stuff. I just want to go on Google and search for it, because I know they're gonna give me some garbage. Hey, do you wanna go papa shopping? He said only if you give me chicken. Oh. Alright, I'm waiting for the comments.